Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. I actually bought this about a week ago. I just haven't had time to get round to looking at it. £3. Grabber machine. Gonna need 4 AA batteries for it. Oh, I'm filming this with a new camera. Yeah, Children's Hospice Southwest. On the 28th of January I bought this. It's the 2nd of February now. 4 days old then. Right, I don't expect there's any batteries in it. Let's see, that moves that around. And that there is the lid. I expect we'll be doing a teardown on this. We will at least just see if we can get it going. Screwdriver. Yes, I'm filming this on a GoPro 7 Black, GoPro Hero 7 Black edition, which I haven't bought for filming this sort of thing. Battery's in there. Is there an on-off switch? There is. Oh! Batteries are working. I didn't even notice there was an on-off switch at the back there. Well, let's put that back together. I really didn't have any reason for buying this other than it just looked like a bit of fun. Yes, talking two things at once. I've treated myself to a GoPro. Hang on, that worked just now. Okay, that's lifted. That brings it around. That drops. That lifts. Background there. And drop. Okay. I don't suppose there's any chance of collecting that right from the back there, but we'll try. No, it's got to move around a bit. There's no chance getting it there. Okay, try that again. Round to there. Got it! I won. I won the prize. Oh, well, it works. I mean, I will do a teardown video. What have we got? Screw, 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 yeah. Shall we do that now? I'll tell you what we'll do before we do a teardown video. I'll just go and see if the GoPro's actually recording. Because there's no point in doing any more video if we're not recording. Yeah, so we'll be back in a minute when I've checked my GoPro. Right, I've checked the GoPro. We have recorded okay. We've recorded in a format I wasn't quite expecting. It's more or less square rather than 1920 by 1080 dimensions that I normally film in, but I can edit that out. And the other thing is it's very quiet on the microphone, so I've got to boost the audio so you can hear me talking. Still, this is the first time I've used it. I'm sure I'll be able to figure something out. We will have a look inside this thing. Clearly, this bit is now a gear or something going across there just to turn the arm around. And there must be a motor under there that moves the chain to lift it up and down. Excuse me. Okay, I'll get a magnet to collect all my screws. Oh, I just remembered, didn't even say what have we got? Play to win, grab a machine, amusement game, designed exclusively for the entertainer, which is a toy shop. And that's about it really. Made in China for the entertainer. We are filming in 4K, but as I say, it's a square format, which confused me a little bit when I was looking in the editor. And I've had to boost the volume by, I think it was 7 or 8 dB. Which is funny, because when I use my wireless microphone on my phone, I have to reduce the volume by 7 dB because it records too loud. So this is at the other end of the scale. It records much quieter than I was expecting. Because the other thing is the wireless microphone is next to my mouth, so that helps, whereas you are on my tripod some distance away from me. So it's bound to be quieter. But certainly my first impression with the GoPro is it's excellent. It's a second-hand one. I bought it in the CEX shop, Computer Exchange, or whatever they call themselves. £120, I think it was, which is way out of my normal purchase range. but I have been promising myself a GoPro 7 black if I ever saw one in there, and there was one in there today, so I bought it. There's quite a few things I want to do with a GoPro just to see if they're as good as they appear to be. Right. Okay. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful in its simplicity. Battery box, on-off switch. That's the gear to turn round the arm. And then up through there. Oh, we've actually got a little bit of a... Oh yes, that'll be the forwards, backwards. There'll be two switches on there, I should think. I expect we can have a look at that. And then up through there we'll go. There must be a motor on the top of it. I don't know how easy it'll be to get to that. I had half expected the motor to be right the way down here. Anyway, we'll have a look at the other side of this thing. I will have to zoom about a bit in the editing to get this up a bit closer for you. And no doubt I will 3D print myself some nice brackets for the GoPro. Can't even say it now. For the GoPro to suit my different tripods. Oh, there we go. Just two switches and a few resistors and transistors. Oh, that's interesting. That's a little bit more complicated than I expected. I was expecting just the push switches, push buttons, momentary buttons. But we've got a transistor there, so the push button is triggering the transistor, and the transistor will be putting the power down to the motor. Yeah, I suppose that's reversing the voltage, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, can we get that back in position? I don't intend to do all my filming with the GoPro. I just thought I'd use it this time. As an experiment to confirm it works. I will do a separate video on the GoPro looking at it. Just to see what we actually got in the bag when we bought it. It's got the, well, first important thing was it had the battery. They actually demonstrated it worked before they actually gave it to me, which is always a good thing. It's got the charger there. It's got a couple of the cases or brackets, whatever you want to call them. It's got a head strap thing so you can wear it on your head, which will be handy. Okay, oh, I see, it looks like these unclip, or are they? Yeah, it looks like they will unclip. will it be any easier to get the top off? That looks like the top might unclip anyway. Yeah. That'll be an easier way to get to the there. Yeah, looks like we can get to there from that end. Okay, check we get this back in the right place. That was the one screw that didn't want to come out earlier. Right, that's all of them. Now let's have a look at this fella. It's full of screws. Right, here we go again then. Oh, let's get me magnet again. Right, so you ready for this? There we are. Electric motor driving that gear, which has a clutch in it. Spring-loaded clutch. Which should be just there. Okay, so reduction gear, and that drives, oh, it's all going to fall out now, don't want that. Oh, just put that on the wrong way round, no wonder it won't go back on. Right, that way round. Can we see that? That is quite annoying that the GoPro doesn't have the screen switched on. I can't check what I'm filming. Right, all in. Hold it together. I think that's it. Success! What a fun toy. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.